Welcome back. Today it's me, the beat maker. Today I'm going to be making a Bosnian trap beat today. Make sure you follow along as I'm going to produce this trap beat. I'm going to be making a Bosnian trap beat today, and I'm going to title the trap beat "How to Make a Bosnian Trap Beat." I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly and start programming my Bosnian trap beat. Now let's get straight into my FL Studio and start programming the Bosnian trap beat. Thank you so much. I'm just going to put my FL, I'm just going to put my cursor like this on my FL Studio. Just right click and just press open and just wait for it a little bit to open. Now it's loading. It's loading. It's loading now. I've opened my FL Studio, as you can see. First of all, I'm going to turn up my microphone. I mean, not my microphone, I'm going to turn up my speakers by clicking here. Now, I'm going to click on add here like this. This add, I'm going to click on add here like this. Just that my computer might function a little bit, that's why you just need to pay attention and follow along as I'm producing this beat. This is add. I'm going to pick this plugin called a mini scene. Now I'm going to left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel up channel 5. I'm going to right click and press piano roll and start programming my Bosnian trap beat. That's it. I'm going to start programming my Bosnian trap beat now. Now, this is my Bosnian trap beat. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to your left, like this, left click, hold it, highlight to your left, and press Ctrl and B, copy it right to bar number 8. Now, I'm going to program my bass melodies. I'm going to click on add again here and pick this plugin called Boo Bars. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight and switch it to channel 6. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll, start programming my hi-hats. I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to the left and press Ctrl and B. I'm going to turn the hi-hat right up on slot 1. I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a sound recognizer. This is my snare. I'm going to right click and press piano roll. This is my kick. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. I'll start programming my kick now. Now I'm going to click on channel 1 and click on this slot here and switch it the both note right up, and this is the main source. Then on slot 1 on my hi-hat, I'm going to click on slot 1. Then I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. I'm going to bring down the first melody, bring down my boo bars down. On my first melody, I'm going to add a fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'm going to click on slot 2 here and add a fruity multiband compressor. On my boo bars, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a fruity multiband compressor. On slot 2, I'm going to click on it and add a sound womanizer. I'm going to click here, swap left and right. Click here, swap left and right. Click here, swap left and right. On my hi-hats, I'm going to click here and swap left and right. And here and here. Where I've written part 1 here, I'm going to right click and split by channel. As you can see, everything I've already programmed has appeared on the left top corner on my screen. I'm just going to click on my kick like this, drop it into my playlist, click on my hi-hat, drop it into my playlist, click on my snare, drop it into my playlist, click on my first melody, drop it into my playlist, click on my last melody, and drop it into my playlist. Now, I'm going to left click and hold it, highlight to your left, and press Ctrl and B to make it a bit longer. Left click and hold it, highlight to your left, and press Ctrl and B. I'm going to click here on my first melody and add here this. I'm just going to click here for my outro. Then I'm going to remove my hi-hat here and remove my snare here. Here at the ending of my intro and at the starting of my outro. I'm going to drop an hi-hat here. I'm going to drop an hi-hat here. This is how to make a Bosnian trap beat. Thank you for watching how to make a Bosnian trap beat. Now let's listen to the beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time in another video. Make sure you turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Thank you and see you next time.